Hey guys, hope everybody's having a great day. So I want to show you something I got here. I have a 03 Lexus GS 300 with the 2JZ motor. Anyway, customer had apparently put in 3 alternators before it came to us for not charging. And apparently we verified it with receipts and everything else that yes, they did in fact put 3 different alternators in it. So we put an alternator in it, and we actually put a Denso reman in it. Factory Denso reman. It lasted all of about 30 seconds, and I shouldn't say that, that's a lie. Not 30 seconds. It lasted about 4 or 5 minutes, and then it wasn't charging anymore. So I took the alternator off, and we sent it to the alternator shop, and or the guy that does alternators and starters and stuff. And he said, "Oh, there's nothing wrong with this alternator. It's charging fine." So he told us how to basically hotwire the starter. So I did that. I hotwired it and I ran it on the vehicle. I had it hooked up, but I ran separate wiring to it. So I basically ran it by itself. Let me show you something here. So that's actually not the Denso alternator. That's another new alternator. It's alternator number 4. So what I did find is I ran new wiring to it, and after about 3 or 4 minutes, it wasn't charging anymore. Now, this is after 20 minutes of running. It's at 13.6 volts. So everything's still charging, and everything looks pretty good. So, as a previous video had mentioned, a lot of these new parts are basically just junk. Even a Denso reman. Denso is supposed to be one of the top companies. Didn't work. So, but now we got another one. This one is from O'Reilly's, and hopefully this one lasts. I can't find anything else wrong. I've checked wiring, fuses, you name it. I can't find anything else wrong. Anyway, that's it. Hope you guys are having a great day. Keep wrenching.